Good morning everybody. In this video we'll be solving problem D of Codeforces round 672 of division 2. So in this problem we are given start and end time of n lamps and we have to tell how many ways are there to pick k lamps such that they all are on. Okay, so if we have n lamps and their on times are given, so suppose at some point these 3 lamps are turned on and at some other point these 3 lamps are turned on. Okay, so we have to tell how many ways are there to select k lamps out of these lamps such that these k lamps are turned on at that point. Okay, and the answer can be large, so we have to print it modulo this number. So each lamp has start time and end time. Between these times these lamps, the ith lamp is turned on. So what we can do is we can start from time t equals to 0 and we have to move to time t equals to maximum time, and we have to check at this point how many lamps are turned on. And suppose we add a new lamp here. So at this point t equals to, let's say, L, we are a new lamp is turned on. So suppose there are capital K lamps that were turned on at this point t equals to L, and we are turning on a new lamp. So we have to choose K minus, so this is this K, so we have to choose K minus 1 lamps out of these on lamps. So the answer should be added with this number. So we have to choose K minus 1 lamps out of these particular on lamps, because we can add this new lamp with any of the K minus 1 lamps. So these are K minus 1 lamps that are on and a new lamp comes in. So a new lamp joins in. This is the new lamp here. It is turned on at this particular moment at t equals to L. So what we do is we can combine this lamp, or we can find the combination of this lamp with K minus 1 lamps from these turned on lamps. So suppose K is 3, we can add this lamp with any 2 of these lamps. So we can add this new lamp with these 2, or we can add with these 2 or these 2, and so on and so forth. So we have to find on C K minus 1. So this is the crux of the problem. So how do we approach this problem is the second main question. So what we do is we define an event. So what an event is? An event is any point at which a lamp is turning on or turning off. Since the lamp is turning on at Li and it is turning off at Ri, we can sort all these points. So each lamp has 2 events, either it is turning on or it is turning off. So if we sort these events and start from lowest number, so if we find a lamp which is turning on at point Li, we increase the number of on lamps by 1, right? And if it is turning off, so if if the type of the event is on, we are increasing the number of on lamps, or if the type of this event is off, we are decreasing the number of on lamps. And while we are adding this particular lamp, if there were greater than k minus 1 lamps, we are adding on C k minus 1 to our answer. So this is the entire solution. So let's see the code now. So what I have done is, so ignore this part for once. So what I have done is I have created these events. So each event is having each point or each turn on and turn off range of this point is having two numbers. A0 means this event is A and the light is turned on at this point. So 0 represents the light is turned on at this point of time A. And if we are turning off, we are setting the second of this pair as 1. And now we sort all the points. So sort will sort all the points according to the time. And now we call the solve function. So what we are doing is, if points.second is 0, that means if the event is of the type turn on, and if on is greater than equal to k minus 1, that means we need to add NCR on k minus 1 modulo mod to the answer as discussed here. Else we just decrement number of on lamps. So this is the entire solution. So the only problem left is to solve NCR, and we know that NCR equals to n factorial upon r factorial multiplied by n minus r factorial. We can use this formula. So we can pre-calculate the factorials and calculate this mod m. In order to do that, we can multiply n factorial by modular inverse of this denominator. So that's all for this solution, and I hope you liked this one. See you in the next one. Peace.